Hey, just now we are running a live event on Veertly, which is a top 100 startup award, and I want to show you a feature of a partner that you can embed into your Veertly event, which is a virtual photo booth. So here's how it works. In the area Discover Top 100 that the Swiss Startup Award people have set up, you have this photo booth area. So you can simply click on the photo booth and say join, and then you directly jump into the photo booth area. So you can see there are two tabs. In the first tab here you have this smile tab where you can basically take the photo. So let's just do that. So you click on start. You can see your photo automatically. You can take a boomerang, a photo, or make a GIF. Let's just keep it simple, make a photo. As easy like that. So you can select next. You can add a filter. Previously you could have chosen to also have a little banner around you. You can add a little top 100 sign here and even a trophy, make it bigger, and then click on next. And then you can enter your email address where you want to send it to. So info@veertly.com. And if you want to, you can also, so you get it now in email, and you can also check it out afterwards in the gallery, or sorry, you can also download it, of course, take another picture or check it out in the gallery. So here in the gallery, you can see other pictures that have been taken. We hope you enjoy this functionality. As said, the photo booth is provided by a partner, and we are happy to share code for this feature to be embedded for your event. Have fun.